Let me ask you, how are you sitting right now? Are you slouching? Are you leaning? Or are you up straight? Tell me. Alright, tell me this. What perceptions would people form if they walk into your room suddenly right now based on your body language? Do you think your body has a language of its own? Well, why does it happen that you are smiling, wearing the right clothes, yet are not able to make a good impression? Why? Well, join me on Skillopedia, where I am going to talk to you and tell you some good old tricks to help you up your impression game and tell you why your body language would help win over anyone. So join me and watch the complete video on Skillopedia, the place to learn skills for the real world.